Welcome, here I've got iPad Pro 11 from 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's focus on this settings bar here. We have to change the modes and slide up to the slow motion modes here, and as you can see here we are in this mode, and we can just simply by tapping on this red button start recording the slow motion video. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and let's start. And now we go to the preview and let's see what I've recorded. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video at this device looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.